The first thing to know about familial dysautonomia is that it is an HSAN, or hereditary sensory and autonomic neuropathy, which is a term used to describe a condition resulting in neurodevelopment disorders caused by a single gene mutation. But more specifically, familial dysautonomia is a genetic disorder that affects the development of certain nerve cells in our autonomic nervous system and sensory system, which control involuntary actions and activities related to the senses, respectively. This particular disorder is most often characterized by diminished pain and temperature sensations, as well as progressive autonomic dysfunction, or declining muscle and body functions not controlled consciously by our brain. This is caused by nerve fibers that don't quite work properly, which also results in patients not being able to feel the position of their arms and legs, skin pressure, fully experience taste, or have good regulation of blood pressure. Familial dysautonomia is caused by a mutation in the IKBKAP gene. This gene provides instructions for making the IKK complex-associated protein. Nearly all individuals with familial dysautonomia, or FD, have 2 copies of the same IKBKAP gene mutation in each cell. This particular gene mutation disrupts how information is pieced together to make a blueprint for the IKAP protein. It results in a reduced amount of IKAP to be produced, though in inconsistent amounts depending on the location of the cell. Knowing the function of the IKAP protein, which helps in neuronal development, can make it easier to understand why some cells produce near normal amounts, but brain cells produce very little. Unfortunately for those with familial dysautonomia, fatality rates are high, and half of patients die by the age of 40 due to declining autonomic functions. An interesting fact about familial dysautonomia, though, is that while it is rare within the general population, there is relatively high carrier frequency in the Ashkenazi Jewish population.